Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shahi Works. Today in this session we are gonna explore filtering the data using where clause like between and in SQL to interact with your database. Now let's get started. So this is the continuation from the part 1. This is the part 2 video. First we have created a database named as organizations. Then we have created a table. It named it as employee. Then we have inserted our values. Then we have used update, select and delete drop option. Now we are gonna use where clause first. So I'm writing select star. So select star helps us to retrieve the data from the table from employee. My table name is employee. Here I'm using the where condition. So in where condition I'm giving the salary and I'm using the operator sign as greater than or equal to. Here I'm giving it as greater than 3000 and at last semicolon. So you have to highlight it and execute now. If I execute, you can able to get your output like this. Because I have inserted both the values which was greater than 3000, so I'm getting both Anna and Bala. So next condition is we are gonna use like operator. Here again I'm gonna retrieve data, so I'm giving it as select star from employee. Here also I'm giving the condition as where name. So name, I want the name of Anna, so you have to use the like operator, like. So I'm mentioning it as like. Here in bracket you have to type your name starting letter. So in bracket with the quotation, sorry, not in bracket, in quotation. Here I want the names to start with A. So I'm giving the percentage symbol at the end. Always keep in mind that if you want the starting letter, so you have to give the percentage symbol at the end. Also if you want the name to be in the ending position, the percentage should be on the beginning. After this I have given a semicolon. So if now you have to highlight it and you have to execute it. If I select and highlight it, I will get only the name starts with Anna. Now you can able to see only the name starts with Anna I got as the result. So this is how you will be using the like operator for finding the name starting or ending. Next I'm gonna use between and in operator. So again I'm gonna retrieve the data. I'm using select star from employee. Here only the condition and syntax will be getting different from everything. Sorry, I have written all this in the same line. Now I have to press enter. Again I'm rewriting it. Select from employee. Here also I'm using the where condition. Here salary, I'm gonna find the salary between any range. You can give it between any one range, or and with using and operator also you can give it in the any range between 3000 and between 4000, and at last I'm giving it a semicolon. So now you have to execute and highlight and you have to execute it. So I'm not getting the answer, so I'm gonna select the select from table. So this will help us to show the table. Now you can able to see the output as 3000 and 4000. So like this only you will be getting the outputs based upon your condition. Also now I'm gonna change between 5000. If I executed this also mean I will be getting the values between 4000 and 5000 as my table value. The criteria must be satisfied. This is how you will be using between and operator. And at last I'm gonna use the another select from employees, which will be used for retrieving. I'm using the select from star helps us to retrieve our data from our table, so don't get confused. Next here also I'm giving the condition as where. Here I'm gonna find for salary, sorry, not for salary, name. Here I'm gonna find the name in operator. Here I'm using the in operator, where the name in open bracket you have to enter with double quotation Anna, and I'm giving my name as Bala. So from the table it will help me to give the output only for the whatever name I'm entering. My table here I have inserted only the two values named as Anna and Bala, so I am giving the both names. Also, if your table has so many records, you can write any specific name for getting the output. So I have got the output as like this. So this is how you will be filtering your data with your table. I hope you understood how to use the filtering data. First, we have created an organization database, then we have created a table, and we have retrieved it by using select operator. Next, you have inserted, and at last we have updated and deleted. In today's session, we have learned how to filter the data by using where, like, between, in, and. I hope you all now understood how to use this and you got familiar with this. Thank you everyone for your attention till now. Also, if you found this useful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more useful contents like this. Thank you.